how to transfer your crypto from Binance to another wallet. Now, transferring your crypto from Binance to another wallet is quite simple. First, open the Binance app. From the bottom right, you'll find the wallets option. And here under crypto, you'll find a list of cryptocurrencies that you own. Currently, I own this FDUSD crypto. If you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can select that. Now, what we have to have is, depending upon which wallet you're trying to transfer to, you need to copy that wallet's deposit address. So it has to be the particular crypto's deposit address. For example, if you're trying to send Bitcoin from Binance to that wallet, you need to have the Bitcoin deposit address of that wallet, not Ethereum deposit address, but Bitcoin deposit address if you're trying to send Bitcoin. Once done, select a particular cryptocurrency that you own. In this case, it's FDUSD, so you need to have FDUSD deposit address. Now from here, just go to withdraw option. You can send to a known crypto address via crypto network, right? So you can just select that option. Now here is exactly where you want to paste the crypto address that you copied. Sometimes you will also have a QR code, so you can simply scan the QR code by using this particular option over here. But you can paste the code, enter the network, the withdrawal amount that you want to send to that wallet, and click on the withdraw option to send it. The bottom line is that just like how you send money from one bank account to another, you need to have that person's bank account number. Here you need to have that person's deposit number. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.